How to Cash App Yourself 2025. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can Cash App yourself in the easiest way. And if you want to use Cash App personally for yourself as well, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to start off right away. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to Cash App. And once you're into Cash App, what you're going to do over here is there are two methods. Okay, you can either add an amount, click on pay. And once you click on pay, add in your own email or cash tag over here. Okay, so simply add in the email you want, which is my own email, and it should appear over here to send your Cash App to. Or what you can do is take another phone, add your Cash App account to it, and then open up this code over here from your Cash App and scan it from the other phone and simply pay it to this account. And that is how you can Cash App to yourself. And again, if you want to Cash App frequently, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get Cash App for yourself right away. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.